right, pilots, this is it. A main number 3, open FPV. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. Very nice, everybody through. Oh, your leader clipping the gate there in the center. Looks like, no, that was second. So Dabs FPV, your TQ, out in the lead in this one. Second place coming around, going to be Crusader. So 2, 3, and 4 all bunched up in the center. Your leader coming by for lap number 2, 15 flat. 14.6 from your leader. Mayhem in the 2 spot, 17 flat. So it is Dabs FPV out in the lead in this one. Lunatic in the 2 spot, 32 bits of Gil in 3rd. Crusader running 4th, Electric FPV 5th, and Drum Dude 0 in the 6th spot. Oh man, that was scary. Wow.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Coming up on 3, time.
2, 1. FPV done.
So Dabs, you're done with the win.
Lunatic FPV done.
My biggest accomplishment today was saving lives.
So that is a race, guys. Taking the win, Dabs FPV.
The race is completed.
Lunatic FPV going to grab the 2 spot in that one. Electric FPV 3rd. 32 bits of Gil 4th. Drum Dude 0 5th. Crusader going to finish in the 6th spot.
Clip the flag right at the end, right as it's about to catch.
So taking the win overall. Oh man. So it came down to a tiebreaker. Dabs FPV taking the win. Lunatic FPV gonna finish in the 2 spot. 32 bits of Gil gonna finish 3rd. Electric FPV 4th. Crusader 5th. And Drum Dude 0 6th. Great job, pilots. Awesome racing. The pizza's hot and ready to go, guys. Come and get it. So this is round number 2. Want to thank all of our sponsors again: SkyReadyRC.com, Hobbywing North America, Foxier, Mode 2 FPV, and RunCam for donating some awesome prizes for us. First ticket is 956226. 226. Lou. Thank you, sir. So Lou's going to get first pick from the table. Alright, next ticket. 230. 230. Big Nasty.
He's big and he's nasty.
Oh, that's 203. I'm sorry. 230. 230.
Was that one of those, hey, it's right? No, it's right. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Alright, going with the Foxier Monster Micro. Next ticket, 218. 218.
I disapprove.
218.
Harrell, how was that cheese pizza today?
Dude, it was real good.
Arlo, 218. Alright.